Morning guys, we are here in Madrid, Spain on a quick 4-hour layover on our way to Marrakesh, Morocco, and we are here in one of the lounges that I wanted to take you on a tour of. We do have priority pass, so I wanted to take you guys around and show you, if you ever come to Madrid, Spain, where exactly you could go, because we got a little bit lost. Unfortunately, not a lot of people here at the airport know how to speak English. That's not their primary language. Spanish is. So yeah, I just wanted to take you guys inside and show you what it's like, what type of foods that they have while you wait for your flights. So let's go in. Since our flight is to Marrakesh, we came through the S side, and that's how we came in. And this is on the second level. So you're gonna come in, just walk straight, and make a left. And it's called the AENA VIP Lounge. And it opens. This is what the entrance looks like. You have your magazines. You have your newspapers. Look at that view, guys. So nice. You have the front reception area right here, where you have to show them your priority pass and your boarding passes, just so they can verify that you're supposed to be in here. And you're gonna walk in. We have our little seating area here. We have some drinks for people who drink. We have some biscuits, some cupcakes, lots of bread, condiments. That was my favorite. Croissants. We have some cold salads. We have some pasta, a potato salad, tabbouleh. We have water. You have some fresh milk. You have your meats. You have your coffee station here. Toast your bread. You have some cereal. And, excuse me, you have a whole bunch of yogurt, fruit, sandwiches, drinks. We have people seated here. So you could sit over there if you'd like. That's what we did earlier when we first came in. We had our breakfast, and then now we are located right over there, right by the big windows. But I'll take you around and kind of show you how everything looks. Nice views. So you're gonna walk straight. So that is the long hallway from the entrance. And we also have your restroom right at the end, right over here. We have both men's and women's in the same area. And we also have a mini breakfast area on the other end. It's a smaller area. We also have some more magazines. And that's the end of it. So that was a quick little tour. Side note, if you are looking for the restroom, I've actually directed 2 people all the way to the back because they looked lost and I wanted to help, but it's all the way in the back. you're looking for the restroom. But other than that, that was the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing more of these. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour of the AENA VIP lounge here at the Madrid airport. If you ever come down to Spain, make sure to check it out. Take care. See you in the next one.